Lauren Messiah. I'm a stylist in Los Angeles, but today I'm going to be your stylist because I have a lot of women asking me, what do you wear to slim down in a dress? So I'm going to let you in on some stylist secrets to how to look really slim in a belt. For you is a wrap dress. This, again, it draws the attention to the smallest part of your body and it's really going to slim you down. This one's great. This is French Connection. It's actually kind of a faux wrap dress, so you don't have to worry about fumbling around and figuring out how to tie it. It just already has this great line which will just shave the pounds right off of you. But probably the biggest secret to slimming down in a dress, it's one word, and if you don't know it, then we're now officially best friends. It's called Spanx. This is the way to look the slimmest possible in a dress. Every celebrity wears these if they're on television, on a red carpet. It's this magical little uniform that kind of sucks everything in and will keep everything smooth and slim in a dress. So you're welcome. That is how you slim down in a dress. Again, my name is Lauren Messiah. I'm a stylist, and be sure to check out my website, laurenmessiah.com.